we will look at GeNet visualization. To use that feature, click on this visualization icon first. Visualization is useful in finding patterns of data and to get a brief idea of the distribution of data. So as the first step, you have to select a file that you want to visualize data. After selecting the file you want, you can now type in the probe ID. And when you click update, you can see the graphs related to that probe ID. So here you can see 4 graphs. So the first one is the scatter plot. In the scatter plot, you can see how the data is distributed with related to the 2 categories. So the y-axis represents the gene expression data, and by x-axis you can see the 2 distinct categories. The histogram also shows the distribution of data. In this graph, it shows the number of data points that belong to a specific data range. The last 2 graphs shows the box plot. So the graph on the left corner shows the box plot for the whole dataset. The graph on the right side shows the box plot when the data is split into the 2 distinct categories. The box plot also shows the summary of the data. So the bottom margin of the box represents Q1 or the first quartile. The top margin of the box represents the third quartile or the Q3. So the length of the box represents interquartile range or Q3 minus Q1. The middle line represents the median of the data. So the whiskers at the top and the bottom of the box plot shows the maximum and the minimum value. So this will be the end of our visualization video, and if you need more information on the graphs, you can refer to GeNet manual.